They build a 130-meter underground cannon to level London, but it is neutralized before firing a single shot. This is the Vergeltungswaffe 3, a staggering monstrosity defying standard artillery math. Designed by Krupp engineers to fire 600 explosive darts an hour, it instead became a sealed mass grave. Look at the wireframe animation of the 130-meter smoothbore barrel bolted into a limestone hill. The V-3 used a complex multi-charge principle. It featured secondary combustion chambers welded along the main tube like branches of a lethal tree. They promised a synchronized symphony of thermodynamics to push projectiles to 1,500 meters per second. But they ignored a fatal flaw. The margin for error was effectively zero. If a secondary charge detonated 3 milliseconds early, the reverse shockwave would tear the steel tube apart, incinerating the crew. The collapse came from the 12,000-pound Tallboy earthquake bomb. It burrowed 30 meters deep, detonating 5,200 pounds of torpex. The supersonic shockwave shifted the geological foundation. Here's the technical failure that doomed it. The earthquake permanently bent the 130-meter tube, knocking the firing axis off by 4 to 5 millimeters. Firing it would transform the gallery into a pressurized blast chamber. And here is the true scale of the waste. This leviathan consumed millions of tons of resources, all crushed by subterranean force. The Todt organization engineered the massive concrete dome, completely failing to account for seismic dynamics. Krupp engineers locked in a dream that was pure mechanical suicide. Nobody was fired. Nobody went to prison. The program was quietly renamed and funded again. We still need to explore the chemical composition of the Tallboy payload and the fluid dynamics of the detonation. The full breakdown, every document, every decision, every dollar, drops on DEFUNCT tomorrow. If you think this was bad, you haven't seen the rest of the file. Follow so you don't miss it.